Oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? It just rolled into the shop under its own power, and it is just gorgeous. About as stone stock as you can get. So, gentleman just purchased it. Said to be a one-owner bike. Completely and totally stock from what I can see. Wants to keep it stock. Got a list of minor things that we're going to do to it. And one major thing, he wants the isolastics changed. So we'll do that. That's the biggie. It's going to be a while before I get it up on the lift because I have parts for the other bikes coming in. And I got to clear a few of these bikes out in order to get this guy up on the lift. As Kevin said when he looked at it, we will wrap ourselves in bubble wrap before we go near this bike. It is just lovely. Stock, 75. This is redundant down here, that little oil valve. We'll take that out. They are dangerous. If they stick shut, they'll kill your engine. So, lovely, lovely, lovely bike.